Assalamu alaikum everyone, Samir this is the reaction back with other reaction from long time Thomas. So why I be stopped like Thomas not being here, so I be missed a lot in America Got Talent, and I am sorry. I was sick, I was have a lot of things to do, so yeah, so much going on with me in my like personal my life, like shitty happened. Yeah, shitty happened. My feeling shitty happened. So I'm from Algeria. I am talking Arabic. So why I'm talking English? I'm not talking Arabic. If I'm talking Arabic, when I come like say something Arabic in Algeria, I will tell you now. Like I want to do reaction with Christian Guardino, and you know I will say it like خلونا نبدأ مع ردة الفعل مع Christian Guardino. خلونا نبدأ مع what you understand here. So I am trying my best to speak English. I don't know if you like to get what I'm saying, everything. So yeah, to get everything what I'm saying, and I'm trying my best. I can understand everything in English. My talking like oh my god, oh my god. Sorry for that. It's funny. I know. It's not. So let's start this reaction with Christian Guardino. He is amazing. In the first edition, he have so amazing. I love this. So let's find this. Like he will make it rain. He will make it rain with his voice. Big respect from me. Ooh.
And the pain of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know they can't come far from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh Lord, make it rain. Well, I know there can't come tears from the eyes, as they may as well be in vain. And even though I know these tears, they bring me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh Lord, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Christian. Oh my god, Christian. Wow, big respect from me. Big respect from me, Christian. You have amazing, huge voice from Algeria. We have to need to know from Algeria. I know you. Yeah. So yeah. So if you love my reaction, yeah, this subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you like in your Twitter, in your Facebook, any place you want. Give it love all. So see you in next video, inshallah. And yeah, Arabic man, it is Samir, it is me. I love Christian. He have a huge voice. Big respect for me. Like when I was young, like have like 10, like something like that, I always like sing, and I was thinking my voice so bass, like so great. I like all my life wishing be sing. So yeah, this is it. See you in the video, inshallah. Lovers love, give it love free. Yeah.